Okay, so I'm walking towards something called, I think it's called Lisboeta, but it's actually named after Estoril, which is the first casino in Macau. And I think I'll maybe show you a little bit of that, and then I'll do this one as well. So so stay tuned, I'll be right back. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yep, Lisboeta, you can see the little Lisboeta. I think there's something, this is the Miro of the Estoril, the first casino in Macau. And then I think it's connected to this. And I'm not sure the whole story. It's been closed since COVID. I can't even go in, right? There's this thing. If you see somebody, they're working there. But I'm gonna show you the video maybe near the end. I'll just kind of show you what this is gonna be. So right next to it is Macau Palace, which is a replica of the James Bond movie. And there's another one of this out in the water as well. And then here's the Grand Lisboa Palace Casino. And then in the background is that's let me get out of the road a little bit. They're actually going into that place. Looks like they're going into Lisboeta. So I guess there's I don't know. I think I heard that that's like a hotel or something like that. That's Cotai over there. So I'll show you that video at the end. So yeah, this is the street of tennis. So there's like a bunch of facilities here, bowling, tennis courts, stuff like that. Grand Hyatt Casino, there's some Cotai strips, and this is a Wynn Palace Casino, Grand Lisboa Palace Casino, Macau Palace Casino, which is, these two have been closed since COVID, these three. And I don't know if this is a hotel or it's a casino. I'm not really sure, but I know that this Estoril is a mimic after the first one in Macau. And I'm gonna go to a video. I got a couple from the past, and maybe I'll just add one of those to the end here. And yeah, let's do that right now. Yeah, this is kind of cool. I'm gonna zoom in on this little thing. I don't know what it is, but there's a structure out in the water that I've never seen. I'm gonna guess it goes to the Zhuhai side, but looks like it definitely has a lot of tourist potential and it looks really amazing. And so this one. So here we are at the first casino, and what we're going to do is we're going to jump this little barrier right here, and then we're going to go across and see what we can see here. And so this one is, there's a dog, a bunch of dogs right there across the street. This is also Tapsiak, and there's a big market right there. That's over there is where the old Taipa was at, so we did a video trying to explore that. And it was a little bit of a challenge because there's not much signs of it. But this is the old casino, so I'm kind of wondering maybe at one time there was maybe some connection with this original casino and all the Thai bars and restaurants that used to be down there. So maybe they would, I just don't know, because I wasn't alive. I mean, I was alive, but I wasn't in Macau in that era, so I don't really know exactly what that might have looked like. But here is a sign right here. It's all in Portuguese. 1950. So since 1950, I guess this is built in 1950, I guess. And then you can see some of that. We're just gonna walk a little bit down this way. So yeah, I guess this looks like a pretty grandeur spot where I guess people would go into the casino. Let's just go down a little bit further, and then we can catch it. So I'm just gonna walk into this previous bus depot. Oops, just gonna film this. And then we're just gonna walk and just kind of see what's all around here. So I think this casino, maybe they would all kind of go up and down in this little thing. Let's just see. So it's all abandoned now. I think I heard that they were going to try to do something with it. We'll just walk all the way back. So now it kind of comes back to a school, I guess. And this would be the backside of it right here. Yeah. So yeah, the first casino in Macau would have been right here. But yeah, completely abandoned, right across from Tapsiak. And there's an artisans fair today. And we'll just kind of come around it a little bit, and then we'll try to walk across and we'll film it from the side. So I'll label that one accordingly, and you put a little context to the first casino in Macau right there. So I don't know exactly what year it was, 1950, 1960, but it kind of has this like dark Art Deco kind of looks to it. You know, it's all this little stuff. And anyways, so it would have been on this major street right here as well. So maybe something interesting for you guys. And we'll just kind of see where all these cars are coming from up there. Okay, so there we go. That's the end of this one. Hope you liked it. So okay, hope you enjoyed this one. So yep, this is Lisboeta, and so it's going to be around Macau Palace and such like that. All right.
Toma cuidado la voz